Hi, it's Mrs. Higman. I decided to revise my Google Classroom tutorial to include a couple of other things that I thought might be useful for you. So again, I'm just going to start over from the beginning on this. Here are a list of classes that I have when I log into Google Classroom. I've got this JJHS Staff by Heather Minton, and then I've got all of you guys in my science classes. When you log in, you're going to see because we're doing this remote learning, you should see Google Classrooms from all of your teachers. So you'll have one from PE and science and history and English and math and any possible electives that you might be in. I'm not sure how those are being handled because I don't teach electives. Let's look at a class. So here, let's pretend I'm in first period science. Okay, and I want you to notice a few things. We've got the stream, which is what we're looking at right now, classwork, and then people. The stream is just a chronological account of everything that has been posted, and it goes in order from newest to latest. And so as things get posted in here, everything gets kind of shoved to the bottom. So stuff that I posted last week is going to be halfway down this tab and may not be as easy to find as stuff that I just posted today. You'll see that I have a posting from my Google Classroom tutorial that I'm going to be replacing with this tutorial. And then there's the link for Discord. So some of these are just comments. Some of them are links. This one links to a video. This links you to the Discord invitation. This is a link to the PhET simulations, which were some of those fun simulations we did with the subs, like the skate park. And feel free to try those out. They don't have a whole lot for astronomy. I might have you doing one or two. But if you just want to play with those, feel free. They're great opportunities to kind of mess around with some science topics. And then just comments as we go down. So you'll notice that there's a couple of different kinds of icons. This icon that looks kind of like a little page with a bookmark in it says it's a new material. So any materials that I post, whether it's in this case it's a vocabulary.com invitation, it might be a worksheet, it might be a website that's going to help you with your project or assignment that you need to do. Those are going to be posted under material. So this icon means it's a material item. This icon that looks like a clipboard with some writing on it is an assignment. So in this case, here's an assignment, moon observations, and you'll see that it's a little different than the material icon. So here's a material for a moonlog video, and here's the icon that says I posted a new assignment for moon observations. All right, back up at the top of the classroom. I want you to notice that we do have the stream, and we've been talking about the stream, but probably the better way to find what you need to be working on is to hit this classwork tab. So if we click on classwork, now the assignments and things that I've given you are broken up into topics. The topic we're going to be doing this quarter is planetary science. It's astronomy, and that's what we're doing for the rest of the year. I have no idea if we're going to be doing this remote learning for the rest of the year or if at some point we're going to be back in the classroom, but let's just deal with that when it happens. So planetary science. So at the very top are things that don't have a topic. So in this case, I've got the remind directions. And then under here, under planetary science, is a list of things that I've assigned. So you see that it's 4 pieces of material. That's that same icon we already talked about. And then 1 assignment. And over here, it'll tell you that this assignment is due May 1st. If you click on this assignment, you'll notice that there are 2 things that you need to fill out. They're Google Drawings in this case, but there's a Moonlog A and a Moonlog B. And then I posted a video telling you how to do this assignment. So if I were you, I'd watch the video first, and then I would go ahead and do fill these 2 assignments out. The other things I have posted, I have that Moonlog video, which again is just the directions. I have another link for when will the moon be up. So if you click on that, it'll open up a new tab in your browser, and you'll see whatever it was I'm linking to. So in this case, it's Moonrise and Moonset Calculator. If I want to figure out exactly when the moon's going to be up, because that's what we're going to be looking at, I'm going to type in my town, which for me is Placerville. For you, it's wherever you happen to live. And then I scroll down, and it tells me, like today, is the 29th of March, and it tells me that the moon came up at 9:42 a.m. and it's going to set at 12:39 a.m. So it's going to be up after dark, and that probably would be the better time to view it than during the day. All right, although it is cloudy today, so I don't know if I'm actually going to get to see it at all. So that is how you access any of the materials. If it's a link, you just click on it. All right. So this has all of your assignments that are going to be happening. And as we go through the weeks or however long this goes on, this is going to get to be quite lengthy as well. The other thing you can look at is if you click on these 3 lines up here on the left next to where it says the class, you'll get this list of your classes. There's a to-do list and a calendar. If you click on the to-do list, it pops up what you have that you've been assigned. So in this case, I've assigned all of my classes this moon observation so far. There will be more assignments starting tomorrow. It's Sunday right now, so this will be, tomorrow is our first day of class, if you want to call it that. So there's going to be a couple more assignments. All right, so if you hit the to do, and you can limit it by class, like I could just look at my first period class. So if you just want to look at your science class or you just want to look at your math class, you can limit that up here where it says all classes. You would click on that and pick the class that you were interested in looking at. The other thing to look at is the calendar. So right now, there's nothing due this week because I haven't posted the 2 things that are going to be due on Friday. But when I post those, you will see on here, then the assignments will pop up that they're due. So all of your other classes, your math class, your history class, they will have when your assignments are due. We've been told to give you assignments at the beginning of the week and have them due at the end of the week for the most part. So you're probably going to get a whole bunch of stuff on Monday, and then it's going to be due Friday. All right, now I did give that one assignment that's due May 1st. So if we go through the calendar to May 1st, you'll see that those moon observations are due for all 6 of my classes. All right, so that's another way to see what you've got coming up that's due, and it will just default to whatever the current week is. Or you can look at the to-do list, which is going to tell you what you've got that's coming up. So you don't have to rely solely on looking through the stream to find the information that you need. You can either go to the classwork and find it under the topics, or if you just want to look for all of your classes, you can go to the to-do list or the calendar. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, I'll be in Discord for at least an hour a day. You can talk to me, and you can always reach me on email or through Google Classroom. Thanks, and we'll be talking to you tomorrow.